In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce developer account. This is a crucial step for developers who want to explore the features of Salesforce without affecting a live environment. Let's dive right in and guide you through the entire process, which should take no more than 5 minutes. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your web browser. Any browser will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Simply type in Salesforce Developers in your favorite search engine and hit Enter. This should lead you to the Salesforce Developer website, which is the official starting point for your journey into Salesforce development. You'll see a link that invites you to sign up for a free developer account, so go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be taken to a sign-up page where you'll need to provide some basic information. Here's what you'll need to fill in: your first and last name, your work email address, your job role, the name of your company, your country, and finally, your postal code. It's important to use your real work email address because this is where you'll receive all your communications from Salesforce, including the all-important verification email. Make sure to fill these sections out accurately to avoid any hiccups later on. Once you've submitted your details, head over to your email inbox and keep an eye out for an email from Salesforce. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders just in case it gets redirected there. The email will contain a verification link, and you'll need to click this to validate your account. This step is essential, as without verification, you won't be able to proceed to logging in or using your new account. After your email address is successfully verified, you'll be prompted to set a password for your account. Choose a strong password that you can remember but that others won't easily guess. Once your password has been set, congratulations, your Salesforce Developer Edition org is created. You can now log in using your credentials at login.salesforce.com. This portal will be your entryway into experimenting with Salesforce's robust set of tools and services. Remember, this Developer Edition is your playground to explore and experiment. Feel free to dive into the various features and begin building applications with Salesforce's point-and-click tools, API integrations, or try out the different sandbox environments. And that's it. Your Salesforce developer account is ready to go. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and stay tuned for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Happy developing!